Hey everyone, this is Alp Acterys here, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at FP Automation. Welcome back to our series on healthcare analytics within Microsoft Fabric. In this video, we will be talking all about denial claims analyses and how this can be extremely useful to your organization to understand where denials are happening from a claims perspective, allowing you and your organization and your administration to focus on correcting these issues to ensure you're maximizing payments and collections for your organization. Before we get into the contents of this video, I just wanted to quickly recap on our previous video where we talked about charges versus payments. In our previous video, we were able to see the trend of charges versus payments and exactly where there are current gaps where collections are needed for certain insurance providers. This gives your team visibility into what appointments have not been collected on, what those charge codes and appointment types were, and enables your administration to have those conversations to understand what the reasonings are and ensure that things get corrected so that you can continue to collect your payments. In this video, we're looking at current claims as well as total claims denied and your claims percentage trend over time. What this is enabling you to do as an organization is to see exactly what appointments you currently have claims on and exactly what that expected amount gap is that you have a claim on currently. In addition to this, you're also able to see the denial category and the denial reason. Some typical things that we've seen before in various different healthcare providers, such as substance abuse clinics, are, for example, not enough detailed medical notes on medical eligibility or potentially billing codes and errors leading to denial claims. By having this visibility into where exactly the issues are, this enables your team to go after these particular denials, what insurance provider that you are having these with, and then make the corrections in place in order to be able to satisfy all requirements for the claim, get your reimbursement, and ensure that you are maximizing the payments and cash flow for your business and continuing to provide great healthcare service. By having this visibility into the data within your EHR system, like AdvancedMD, for example, you are able to have pure visibility into your organization's denial claims, make the right decisions, and have your team action off all denial claims in order to ensure you are keeping these below very low percentages to ensure that you are maximizing revenue opportunity. We've helped to identify 5 to 6 figures worth of denial claims for an organization, leading to bottom line revenue and profit collection for the business, giving them a maximized opportunity that they may have not been able to see because the data was never visible to them. So I hope you enjoyed this series on denial claims analysis. In our next one, we'll be covering margin analysis for an organization and how you can get a P&L look into your services and see where exactly your gaps are from a cost standpoint. Thank you, and this is Alp signing out.